Okay, we've finished our head here. We've got it all painted. We have the eyes put in. The plaster is all dried good in the back. So now we're ready to hook our mouth up. We want to make sure the mouth is going to work properly before we seal it all up. I'm going to use a little Johnson's paste wax here. And I'm going to put some on the inside here. And we'll do some, dab some on where the teeth are, because you don't want it to, sometimes that paint wants to stick, so you periodically need to do this. Some on that. On our dowel back here where our string goes up and over, we're going to put some wax on that. That will just help to the string to go up. Periodically you'll need to probably spray in here with some spray wax and then just wipe it off out on the outside. We'll do the top of the mouth so the paint doesn't stick to the paint. And periodically you'll need to do this also. So now we're going to hook the mouth up. And we'll start with our spring. Get our spring on there. Then we're going to take our nylon string that we have. We're going to get that tied on. Do that, and then to keep it from coming untied, we're going to put a staple in here. That'll keep it from coming untied on us when we're using it. So now we're going to hook this up, make sure it works okay. You want to make sure this is working properly before you get it all sealed up. Because you don't want to have it sealed up and then find it's not working right. Get that on there. Oops. We need to hook up our spring. So we got that hooked up on our hook that we screwed in here earlier. So that will pull the mouth closed. So now we're going to screw our hinge back on. I think we're going to be okay, so we'll check this. Go up and over top our dowel and then down through the neck. Like that. So we can test it. And that's working okay. So we're going to take our 1-inch ring that we got for this and tie this on. And I left this string long, so if you want to cut it off, you can. But I find that the ring lever works better than anything else I've tried with levers on the side and stuff. Because the ring lever, I used it for over 45 years on my figures that when I was doing shows. And what's good about it is you can use either hand, your finger, or your thumb. So it doesn't matter which hand you use, because it's always right there in the middle. And then you can use your other hand also if you want to go with this way. So now everything's working okay. We got it all back together. We're going to put the back on, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.